Well, hello. It's Steve in the old barn again. It's been a long time. Haven't done much. Had some tragedies. My wife passed away last November. And now I'm back in the shop for a little while. Lots of things going on. Haven't copied or haven't videoed any of them. So, you see, I have well, it's covered up. You can't see it, but I've bought myself a surface plate, 24 by 36, and I'm building a stand for it. Motor, oh yeah, motor. Lost the motor in my van. Well, I didn't truly lose it. I just decided I would replace it rather than do a head job on it. And that took me forever because of my wife and the tragedy. And the other day, my Optel $285 welding helmet decided it was done for this lifespan. And my crane is still there, hasn't moved. There aren't a lot of things different. Oh, for BC Block, one of the last things I did was I was wondering what I could do to make my four-jaw chuck less bell mouth. Well, I solved the problem. You can't see it very well, but there's a new chuck. That stopped my problem. I didn't have to worry about it at all after that. And I don't know if I had my toolboxes arranged that way or not. Just got done working on a couple other things. Everything's stacked up right now. Everything's piles. Piles of this, piles of that. There's that bandsaw. It hasn't had a thing done on it. So pretty much things are the same. Haven't had much difference. Did buy a mini bike. After my wife passed away, my grandkids came out one day and they were lonely. So I bought a mini bike and replaced the engine. There's the original engine, which are worth nothing. They're trash. And like I said, everything's about the same. I did get a tool grinder, but it's as far as it got right there. I'm still working on it, coming up with a method of chewing the stones. I think I may have to go through the same process that everybody else has, trying to get rid of the vibration. So be it. That's about the end of it. I'm looking good, aren't I? Well, needed to get back, and I guess I'm slowly working at it. Got a little shake in my hand there. Maybe I'm getting old.